I just said this, chili. This has never happened to me before. My ears are gone tight on the inside. And when I was in the heat, I started to cry. But most of the fire. I've never eaten a chili this hot before. It's never happened. I don't know how it's possible. Like I've eaten chilies and curry before, and it never killed me this much. I feel like my face is gonna explode. Like it's all tight inside.